aspect sa kaso ni Misty.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, Lynn. Good evening.
Bakit niya papatayin si nanay?
Okay, I will send to you now, Lynn. Good evening.
Ay, kasi sa natin. Sa bata na, parang pumatay. Pag sila yung tumegi sa nanay mo, sa nanay din. Pero bakit papatayin si Edward? Kung nga niya matuloy yung kasal ng dalawa kahit hindi ako ng Edward yung binito. Pakailan mo, Gina. Alam mo, pwede. May mga manok. Anong ayaw bilis? Hindi ko siya maging tao. Hindi tao na medyo. Nagpintahan sila ng nakaso ni Miss Divine. Wala naman napatunayan. Pero kasi tayo mga pagkakita.
Okay. So we have here. Okay, so here, Lynn, how many different things do people use mobile phones for it? Think of as many as you can in 2 minutes.
Nalaro pala ako ng Chinese garden. Oh. Talaga kayo sa ganito?
Uy, sita ka pala. Hanggang dito sa bahay. Bahay niya.
I think that people use mobile phone for doing they work. They can play the game. Or they can maybe some people are not good. They can scam.
Okay.
Uh,
Else.
Okay.
Go, Lynn, go. Continue, Lynn.
Or they can chat with friends. They can post in the forum to let everyone know their life. Maybe that.
Yeah, it could be. Yeah, it could be. So there were many different things to do. People use mobile phones. Of course, mobile phones are useful. We can use that in any mean that you want to, like contacting our loved ones, making a calls, okay, playing cell phone, watching movie, anything you want, okay, for mobile phones. Okay, so these are the different example in make calls, text message, send or receive text messages, you listen to music, you take a photo, you play games, you send and receive emails. Okay. So this one, Lynn, find 12 examples of the passive texts. Okay, with me, huh? Okay, sorry, I will discuss first. We form the passive with the correct tense of the verb be. Verb be or the is an are and the past participle. Example, these cars are made in China, present. This car was made in China, past tense. Was, past tense. Are, present. The passive can be affirmative, negative, and interrogative. This is one. Okay? So, we used the passive when either we do not know who or what performed the actions, or we do not want to focus on who or what performed the action. Example, my laptop was stolen last weekend. If you want to say who performed the action, we use by. Okay? So my house was designed by. So by using the word by, we will able to know who performed the action. Okay. Who designed the house? Who is the one who designed the house? It is the one who designed the house is designed by a famous architect. Okay. It is signed by a famous architect. Okay, that is the one who designed the famous architect. Okay. Here, a brief history. Find 12 example of passive. Okay, example this one. Okay. One, plural. Which examples are plural? Okay. Nearly billion phones are. Okay, that is plural. Okay, what else? Okay, please answer this. How about negative? How about questions? Okay, go Lynn. Go Lynn.
Uh, the
Okay.
plural is nearly a billion mobile phones are sold every year worldwide. And the negative
The
is
negative is?
the call was answered by the boss of a rival company who was not happy to hear that he had lost the race. And the question is, what are mobile phones used for the most?
Okay, so this one. This is actually the question. What are the mobile phones used for the most? Okay, so we have negative. Of course, it's very easy because we will identify it as not if there is the word not. Okay? Okay, this one. Okay, when we use adverbs with a passive, okay, adverbs it means, okay, immediately before the past participle. Okay, so we have phones are often used as a video camera. Okay, often that is already a adverbs. How often? How frequent? It was probably discovered. It was probably discovered by the ancient Greek. Okay, probably. Okay. Okay, so here, Lynn, please try to answer. You can write your answer in the chat box or here. Complete the sentence with the present simple or past simple passive of the verbs in the bracket. You use the verb. Example, are owned. You can write your answer, Lynn, in the chat box. Okay, Lynn? Finish? Okay, let us have this. Okay, number 1. Later. Okay, please continue.
Teacher, I'm finished.
Okay, let me see. Okay, number 1. 2 is were sold. Correct. Okay, so past tense. Okay. So the best-selling phone ever was Nokia 1100. Actually, this is I had a phone like Nokia 100 before, 1100. More than 250 million were sold, but Nokia now is not good enough. I haven't seen Nokia phones in the Philippines. In Japan, what is the answer? Okay, in Japan, mobiles are often used, okay, in the shower. So most of them are waterproof. Oh, so that's why. Okay, 4. The average text message is usually answered. Okay, text message. Lynn, this is singular, okay? Is usually answered within 90 seconds. Okay, very good, Lynn. Remember, Lynn, text message only one. It doesn't mean you text message many words, but text message one message. Okay, please here. Okay, 5, please continue.
Teacher, I'm finished.
Okay. 4. Okay, 5. We are now 5, right? Okay, in 2012, 340,000 iPhones. Okay. iPhones. What is the answer? Very good. iPhones is plural. We're both every day. Oh my God, so fast. Today, the internet is accessed more often from a phone than from a computer. Okay, next one. Okay, more text messages. Text messages now are sent every year. Lynn, it's every year, every. So that is present tense. It's habitual, but every year. Okay? So here, the world's toughest phone was dropped. Okay? 25 meters onto concrete and did not break. Imagine 25 meters and did not break it. It's the toughest. Okay. We use was here because of the word did, past tense clean. Okay. But your answer, your what do you call that one? Your main verb is correct. Bought, access, sent, and drop. But the be verb, you have to check if it is singular or plural. Okay. Next one. Okay. So here, complete the questions about the reading text in units 1 to 8 using the correct passive form of the verbs in the bracket. Okay, example in. Example in. Okay, look at that one. That's the example.
Teacher, I'm finished.
Okay. One. Okay. Two. Answer Blanc, Dan, and Kate Sushi. Rescue by helicopter after their boat sank. This past tense, Lynn, sank. Okay, so let us check. Okay, were rescued because sank. Okay, two. What skills are improved by playing online video games according to a report? Okay, that is are improved. Who Blanc, who was nearly killed by a storm at a paragliding event. Was nearly killed. Okay. Who was nearly killed. Okay. Okay, 5 to 8, please. Sorry.
Or, tagal ako. Hindi ba? Hindi ba? Kaya, hindi kita lahat. Nakita na. Ang pamilya na.
Pinagbibintangan niyo talaga yung mga kapatid ko. My whole family.
Nalagay lang
Okay? So number 5. 6 pa, okay. 7 and 8. Please finish, Lynn.
Teacher, I don't know number 7.
Okay. So number 5. Why blank Jew answered allowed to go to sleep at work? Okay, why? Why is? Okay, this is singular. And of course, this is in present tense. Go to sleep, sleep. That's present tense already. Okay. Next one. Why is? Okay, after sunbathing. Okay. Why was Terry Alderton laughed at after sunbathing? Okay, this was laughed at. Next one. 7. Where blank meetings sometimes hold. If Aaron Levy is choosing the venue, where are meetings? We are talking about meetings, so plural. Okay, sometimes what is the past tense of hold? Held. Okay, where blank the words tamam sa blank find in the Somerton man case. Okay, words. This is and find where. Okay, it's found. Okay, correct. Okay, so Lynn, I guess we don't have enough time for now. So Teacher Ann will say goodbye, and I will see you, Lynn, on
Okay.
tomorrow. Okay, yeah, tomorrow.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, tomorrow.
Yeah.
Bye, Lynn. Thank you so
Bye bye,
much.
teacher. Good night.
Okay, good night.